COVID-19 restrictions slowly lifting, a lot of us are ready to get out of the house safely. Our friends at AR Workshop are back open for you to get crafty while social distancing. Owner Courtney Rasco joins us this morning to check out their summer schedule. Good morning.
Hi, how are y'all?
Doing great. Thanks for joining us. Now we've got to talk about the COVID-19 pandemic. It hit a lot of us hard, but you guys as well. You guys got creative. You did DIY to go.
Yes, we just kind of had to adapt and go with it. So we came up with a DIY to go concept. So you could come by, pick up your order, take it home, and craft at home.
Now, will that still be an option, even though you guys are open now? Will that still be an option for the folks at home?
Yes, the DIY to go is here to stay. We're going to keep it going for those that are not comfortable to, come back out to the workshop and get crafty with us here, so you can stay in the safety of your home and still make beautiful projects.
That is awesome news to hear. I know that you guys are really excited because you are open back up. It's a little different than what we were used to seeing about a couple months ago.
Yes, our May schedule is up. We have cut down the classes to half capacity, so we will have, instead of our normal 6 guests per table, we will have 2 per table, but we're still going to have just as much fun. You'll just have more space, more ability to move around, and still make projects here. We're cleaning and sanitizing between each class. We have our disposable aprons that are now an option, and the guests are encouraged to wear masks if they have them.
So definitely keep that in mind if you're wanting to get crafty. There you're seeing all of the list of what they're doing to stay clean so you can stay healthy while having a great time. Now, Courtney, we also want to talk about the summertime. You guys are really excited because you have something fun for the adults or kiddos. It's a project they can do once a month during the summer.
Yes, we're starting up our summer art box. It's kind of like a subscription. So you get through June, July, and August, it's 3 projects. You'll get it. You can come and pick it up, or we can ship it to you each month. So that is an option, just in case you don't want to get out and come pick it up. We can ship it to you.
And there's also a little discount code there you can see at the bottom of your screen, so make sure you check that out. If they want to go ahead and come to a workshop here in the month of May or in the coming months, is that process still the same of signing up and getting that locked in?
Yeah, that's the same. So they'll just go to the website, click on the event they want to attend, you check out, pick your project online, and then when you get to the shop, we've got it ready to go.
Awesome. Well, we are so excited to get back. I've seen on your Instagram and your Facebook recently, you guys are doing really cool projects. I saw a project of the USS Alabama, the Mobile Skyline, also the Fairhope Pier. So a lot of things that hit close to home that can make your home super cute. So Courtney, if they have any questions, they want to go ahead and book, how can they find you guys online?
You can go to our website. It's arworkshop.com/mobile. Like us on Facebook and Instagram, or you can call the shop 251-639-7411.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. We look forward to crafting with you ladies really soon.
Sounds good.